Ole mencetak gol indah setelah menerima umpan Joshua Johnson. Namun tak berselang lama setelah gol tersebut, Ole mengalami cedera kaki setelah ditekel pemain Arema Paulinho pada menit ke-16. Akibat cedera ini, Ole harus ditandu keluar lapangan. Pelatih Oxford Gary Rowett menyebut tackle yang dilakukan Paulinho sebagai tackle yang buruk. Menurutnya, Romeni kemungkinan akan absen di pertandingan final nanti.
Picked up a small injury previously in the last 2 games, so we're still waiting to see whether he might be available for the weekend or for the final. All of the same, it looked quite a bad injury, but again, we'll see whether potentially he's available for the final. I appreciate those 2 players, of course. A lot of fans have come to see those 2 players play, so yeah, if there's at all a chance for them to play, great. If there isn't, then we have to accept that.